Come visit a place where nature has carved out some of the most spectacular and diverse golf courses you'll ever see. Experience stunning alpine courses in Queenstown, like Jack's Point, nestled between the Remarkables mountain range and Lake Wakatipu. Or play at one of the host courses of the New Zealand Open. The Hills Championship course with its sculptured contours. Or the picturesque Millbrook Resort. In Wellington, weave your way through a breathtaking Parklands course at the Royal Wellington Golf Club, home of the 2017 Asia Pacific Amateur Championship. Or make your way to the coast and play a world-class links course. Head north to Auckland's Windross Farm, New Zealand's newest inland links course, and in 2017, the home of our first LPGA event. Finally, treat yourself to the views of a stunning coastal course, like the world-renowned Cody Cliffs. Close by, you'll find impressive dining experiences with locally sourced produce and acclaimed wine and craft beer. And a world of relaxation and adventure. New Zealand, where nature invites you for a golfing experience unlike anywhere else in the world.